One of my closest family members is my cousin, Lisa. We have a special bond as cousins. Lisa is a warm and friendly person. She's in her mid-20s, just a few years older than me. She has a great sense of humor and always makes people laugh. Lisa is also very easygoing, which makes her a pleasure to be around. We often spend time together doing various activities. We enjoy going to the movies, trying out new restaurants, and shopping together. We're both big fans of movies, especially comedies, so we have a great time watching and discussing our favorite films. Additionally, Lisa and I share a love for food, and we like to explore different cuisines in our city. Sometimes, we even cook our favorite dishes together, which is a lot of fun. The reason we get along so well is because we have a similar sense of humor and interests. We can talk about anything and everything, which creates a strong connection between us. Lisa is also an excellent listener, and she's always there when I need someone to talk to. This trust and openness in our relationship make us very close.